Hey everyone, welcome to week number 8. Glad you're with us this week. If you give me a few days, I'll get your week 7 assignments scored and returned back to you. This week, you only have one assignment, which is the Real Recruit paper. So please make sure that you review that. Then you also have your regular readings. You also have the next milestone, which is due next week. So be thinking about that. And if you have some time, please complete the Excel assignment that's due in week 10. You only have to do the first 2 modules of that. Don't do the whole thing. You just do the first 2 modules is all you have to do. If you have trouble signing in, you don't know how to get signed into the Excel thing, the instructions are back in module 1. You put it in your cart, you apply the code, and then it's free, and then you only have to do the first 2 modules. If you want to do the rest, that's fine. Save the screen print because you will do the remaining modules in future classes. Now, this week, you'll continue to expand on the ethical decision-making process and ethical considerations and business decisions. And you think, well, I'll never be put in this situation, and I never thought I would be put into legal and ethical situations myself either, but they do come along, and it's quite interesting how they come along. So never be afraid to always do the right thing. I think I said that last week. And always do the right thing no matter who's watching, because you wouldn't want to be plastered on the front of the newspaper that you did something incorrect. Perfect example, a personal example from me was it's been about a year ago. I got some approvals to sign. I support a global business, so we have units in China, Hong Kong, Europe, and here in the U.S. And I was going in to approve payments and sign off on payments for one of the China companies. And I pop in the translator and I start translating some of the payment names, and they didn't look correct. So then I start asking some additional questions, and come to find out, the person was getting gift cards for uh, someone at the local tax office to get something pushed through the local tax office quicker. So basically, it was almost a bribe, if you will. So when you are in positions, you always want to make sure you're reviewing things, you're spot checking things, and something that might seem customary in certain countries and certain parts of the world are not customary for your overall business practice and how you want to run your business. So keep those factors in mind when you think about ethical and legal decision making. And I've had other instances, personal examples years ago where we had a unit in New Jersey where some employees got together with a local temp agency, and they put some false employees on the payroll, and they were putting false hours in and getting the checks and taking them and cashing them. So these things happen, and you just have to know how to deal with it. And a lot of this goes to tone at the top and culture. And you really want to drive the right tone and the right culture. So that's kind of my speech, my lecture for week 8. Again, Dr. Hobson will have his hour-long lecture on Wednesday. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great week and take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.